Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your video clips and your screenshots on your PlayStation 5 to free up some storage space. So go to the media gallery. So mine is just right here. And if you press options, you can go to delete and you can delete one at a time. But if you look on the left, there is an option for select multiple. So we can just go to this and then select it. And we can just select all in the top right. It will delete every single clip. So I have 361 video clips on here. I can just go to delete. Otherwise, I can copy them to USB. Now, there's another way we can look at all the information. If we go to storage, under settings, we can see how much data we have for media gallery. And it looks like my media gallery takes up 113 gigabytes. So I actually probably should go through there and just delete them all. I have a lot of clips on there. Now you can save some space also if you reduce the screenshot resolution. So if you go to this menu and then go to manual recording and just drop this down to 1080p, and it won't record it in 4K anymore, and the file sizes won't be as large. Then also, I believe you can change the file type to a different, and it looks like WebM is the most efficient, so that's good. So I can drop it down here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.